been transferred. As per the order of Honorable High Court, Calcutta, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh is already on extraordinary leave. His order for National Medical College has also been cancelled. There are some media reports that he has been posted as OSD Swasth Bhavan. Let me clarify emphatically that there is no such order that he has been posted as OSD at Swasth Bhavan. Let me clarify again and again. New principal and MSVP of RG Kar Hospital have also taken over charge on 22nd August 2024 and they are working. Yesterday morning only both of them have taken over the charge. In order to look into the alleged financial irregularities at RG Kar Hospital, a special investigation team has been formed on 16 August 2024 and the SIT has already started their investigation. Our resident doctors are backbone of our health services in the medical colleges and their absence has seriously affected patient services in different tertiary and secondary care hospitals across the state. All of us must appreciate that cancer, specialized care like cancer care, cardiology, neurological care are only available in the medical colleges, and in the absence of the regular resident doctors, these services are badly getting affected and the poor patients are also getting affected. Currently, senior doctors are providing round-the-clock services in the government hospitals. It must be appreciated that the poor patients who are dependent on government hospitals are especially affected. Honorable Supreme Court has also requested doctors to join the normal duties. It is also learned that the resident doctors have joined the normal duties in other states, including AIIMS Delhi, in our state in AIIMS Kalyani also. We once again appeal to our resident doctors that they must return to their services. The government upholds the dignity of our medical professionals in the highest order. We request that the normalcy in the patient services must be restored immediately in interest of large population which is suffering due to the protracted agitation. Thank you.